In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all posts from other apps on Facebook at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook app and here tap at your profile picture to open up your profile. Next, hit at three dots icon and select Activity Log. Then tap right here where it says Manage your posts and then tap on Filters. Next, hit on Categories and select Posts from other apps to filter just posts for other apps. I don't have such posts here, so I'll select there another category to show you how it works. Let it be photos and videos, and it shows all the posts from that specific filter. And in order to remove that post, all you have to do is right here checkmark all, and then here at the bottom hit on Recycle Bin to remove all posts from other apps to trash. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.